Imagine a simple formula, just 3 numbers, that has the power to transform your financial life forever. It sounds too good to be true, right? But the 369 rule of money is more than just a catchy name. It's a proven method that successful people use to build lasting wealth. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Stay tuned, because this could be the game changer you've been searching for. Welcome to today's video, where we're diving into the fascinating and transformative 369 rule of money. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by financial advice or confused about where to start, this simple yet effective strategy could be your breakthrough. Whether you're trying to save for a big goal, invest wisely, or gain financial freedom, the 369 rule can serve as a roadmap. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand this rule, but also know how to apply it to your own life to see real results. Let's get started. Segment 1. What is the 369 rule of money? The 369 rule is all about simplifying your financial journey by focusing on 3 key milestones. Here's how it breaks down. 3 months of emergency savings. This means setting aside enough money to cover 3 months of your essential expenses. Think rent, groceries, utilities, and transportation. Why? Because life is unpredictable. This cushion ensures you're prepared for emergencies like job loss, medical bills, or unexpected repairs. 6 months of stability. Once you've got 3 months saved, aim for 6 months. This is your financial safety net. Having 6 months of savings gives you the confidence to take calculated risks, whether it's starting a side hustle or switching careers. 9% investment growth. The final part of the rule focuses on growing your wealth. Aim for investments that yield at least. Segment 3. How to build your 3-month emergency fund. Let's start with step 1. Building your 3-month emergency fund. Step 1. Calculate your expenses. Add up your monthly essentials like rent, food, and utilities. Multiply that by 3 to get your target. Step 2. Start small. If saving 3 months' worth feels overwhelming, break it into smaller milestones. Celebrate when you save your first $500 or $1,000. Step 3. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to a dedicated savings account. Treat it like a non-negotiable bill. Segment 4. Reaching the 6-month goal. Once you've hit 3 months of savings, it's time to double down and aim for 6 months. Side hustles. Consider picking up a part-time gig or freelance work to accelerate your savings. Cut non-essential spending. Small sacrifices, like skipping daily takeout or streaming services, can add up over time. Stay consistent. Consistency is key. Even small monthly contributions will get you closer to your goal. Segment 5. Growing your wealth with 9% returns. The final step is where the magic happens. Investing for growth. Start with index funds. These low-cost, diversified funds are a great way to aim for that 9% return. Reinvest your earnings. Let your dividends and interest compound over time. This accelerates your wealth-building journey. Stay patient. Investments grow over years, not weeks. Trust the process and keep your money working for you. Conclusion. By following the 369 rule of money, you can create a financial foundation that not only protects you in tough times, but also helps you build lasting wealth. Start small, stay consistent, and remember, every step you take today brings you closer to financial freedom tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more actionable tips on achieving your financial dreams. Let us know in the comments, which step of the 369 rule are you working on right now?